Hi everyone, in this video I will going to answer the question how to make an interactive plot in R. So to have a plot that we can zoom in, zoom out and interact with. So let's open our studio. Here my R studio. To have an interactive plot in R you have to need gplotter package, plotly package, and to have example data just use the gapminder package. So just install it if you haven't installed and then you call control enter, and first you just create a normal ggplot object and assign to p, for example, and type p in here. So this is a static plot, so normal ggplot. And to have a, an interactive plot, just use the gplotly function in the plotly package and put the static plot in here. Control enter, and this is an interactive plot. You can see the data, or you can zoom in. You can go back to user. You can select a certain set of points. So yeah, and the script to and the link to this script is below the video description. Thanks for your interest in this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get latest update about my newest video.